Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Relation and Function Exercise 1.1. Question number 1 in that first subdivision. Let's see the question. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We need to find all the three in the sum. Here the given question is relation R. Here the relation R in the set A is equal to 1 to 14. Defined as relation is equal to, your relation R is equal to x comma y. First one is x, next one is y, and also the equation is given 3x minus y is equal to 0. They have given that x comma y belongs to R, belongs to the relation if 3x minus y is equal to 0. That means we can also write this to be y is equal to 3x. If I bring y to this side, it becomes y is equal to 3x. So we are going to form the relation by using the given A. So your relation will be, if it is 1, if I substitute x to be 1, then your y will be 3. If I substitute x to be 2, then your y will be 6. If I substitute x to be 3, y will be 9. If it is 4, 12. 5, it will be 15. There is no 15 number, so the set closes here. Because there is no 15 here and x and y belongs to A, so there is no 15. We are going to finish with 4, 12. Now let us go with the reflexive. Reflexive, we know that according to the reflexive, both should be equal. Both A comma A belongs to R. If it is a reflexive, that both the values should be same and it belongs to the relation. Here there is no element that are equal. 1 should be equal to 1, 2 should be equal to 2, 3 if 3 comes here, 3 will come here, 4 comma 4, then it will be a relation. According to this, we can say that 14 comma 14 does not belongs to R, does not belongs to this does not belongs to R, therefore R is not reflexive. So it is not reflexive. We'll check with the symmetric. For symmetric, A comma B belongs to R and B comma A belongs to R. It should be in the form, if A comma B is there, then B comma A should be there for symmetric. Here you check, if 1 comma 3 is there, 1 comma 3 belongs to R, then three comma 1 should belongs to R, but here in this case 3 comma 1 does not belongs to R. There is no 3 comma 1 here. So in this case also it is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Now we'll move on to the next one, transitive. For transitive, A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C belongs to R. This is the condition. If these two are equal, then A comma C belongs to R. Here 1 comma 3, if I take 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 9. Here these two are same as BB belongs to R, but 1 comma 9 does not belongs to R. See, 1 comma 9 does not belongs to, there is no 1 comma 9 here. 1 comma 9 in R. So therefore it is not transitive. So we have found all the three. That's all with the sum. Thank you.